This video is step 1 in getting your DIBELS scores into the Illuminate website from the Oregon site. So to begin, I have 2 tabs open. The first tab that I have open is the Oregon site, and I'm logged in, and this is the home screen. So the first thing I need to do is click on the Reports tab right here. So I'm going to click on that, and this screen appears, and I'm just going to scroll down to the one that says Data Farming. And we're going to click on the blue export button. When this screen appears, you want to change the scope to school and click continue. Then under school you should see the name of your school. For the grade, select the grade that you are trying to pull the report for. So for this I'm going to choose first. And then for starting school year, just make sure it says the current school year and click continue. Then you will need to click the assessment period that you would like. So you have the choices of beginning, middle, and end. And so I'm going to choose beginning because that's the scores that I want to pull off from here. Then for filter, you can just keep it no filter, include all students, and then click continue. Once we get to this page, we need to check a few boxes. So under the student information, just a safe bet would be to check all of these boxes. Really, we only need the student name and student ID and secondary ID. One of these houses the UIC that we need, but for just a good habit, if you want to just check all the boxes, then you're safe. Right here, the comma separated it defaults to, and you want to keep it that way, and then click continue. So once we scroll down, it'll show the first 5 students of your total number of students, and then there's this download feature. So we want to click on that, and then as you can see, my file pops up right here, and I want to open that. When I open this, I might have to pull some of my columns apart. And when you open this, you're going to notice a few things, and we have to change a few things. One of them, as you can see right here, this first student does not have a 10-digit UIC code. And as you scroll down, there are a few others that you can see don't have that 10-digit UIC code. So what we need to do to fix that is highlight the column, then we need to right-click and click on Format Cells. And then here we need to click on Custom. And then in the type box, we delete where it says general, and then we need to put 10 zeros in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then click OK. And just below this box, if you see what happens to this one, you're going to see a 0 gets added in front of there. So we're going to click that. Then you'll also see that now they all line up and they all have 10 digits. The other thing that we need to do, Illuminate reads the year as 2016 for this school year, so we need to change all of these 2015s to 2016s. So what we can do is a quick find and replace. So my computer, it's Command F to do a find. So I'm going to type in the 2015 is what I want to find, and I want to replace it with 2016, and then I'm going to click Replace All. And as you can see, all of these 2015s now changed to 2016s. And I'm going to click OK. And then I can close this. Now I need to resave this so that it's ready to be imported into Illuminate. So I'm going to go File, Save As, and then save it wherever you would like to. I'm just going to save it on my desktop. And I'm going to change this, the name of it. And again, you can name this whatever you want it to be. First beginning. And you keep the format comma separated and then click Save. So after we do that, we have now completed the first step in putting our DIBELS scores into Illuminate from the Oregon site.